Abrasive jet machining, AJM, is a manufacturing process that involves the use of a high-pressure stream of abrasive particles to remove material from a workpiece. The abrasive particles are propelled by a gas, usually compressed air, and directed towards the workpiece through a nozzle. The process is highly precise and can be used to cut, drill, and shape a wide range of materials, including metals, ceramics, and composites. AJM is particularly useful for manufacturing parts with complex shapes or intricate details, as it can be used to create very fine features with high accuracy. It is also a non-thermal process, meaning that it does not generate heat, which can be beneficial for materials that are sensitive to high temperatures. Additionally, the process is relatively environmentally friendly, as it does not produce any hazardous waste or emissions. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company based in Minnesota, offers a range of services related to AJM. The company has extensive experience in using this process to manufacture parts for a variety of industries, including aerospace, medical, and automotive. Berkness Company's team of experts can work with clients to design and produce custom parts that meet their specific requirements, using the latest technology and equipment to ensure high quality and precision. If you are interested in learning more about AJM and how it can be used to manufacture parts for your business, you can contact Berkness Company through their website. The company's Contact Us page provides a convenient way to get in touch with their team and discuss your needs. Whether you are looking for a one-time project or ongoing manufacturing support, Berkness Company can provide the expertise and resources you need to succeed. FAQs. 1. What is abrasive jet machining and how does it work in manufacturing? Abrasive jet machining, AJM, is a non-traditional machining process that uses a high-pressure stream of abrasive particles to remove material from a workpiece. The abrasive particles are propelled by a gas, usually compressed air, and directed towards the workpiece through a nozzle. The abrasive particles impact the workpiece surface and remove material by erosion. AJM is used for cutting, drilling, and surface finishing of hard and brittle materials such as ceramics, glass, and composites. 2. What are the advantages of abrasive jet machining over other machining processes? AJM has several advantages over traditional machining processes such as milling, drilling, and grinding. Firstly, it can machine complex shapes and contours with high precision and accuracy. Secondly, it does not generate heat, which reduces the risk of thermal damage to the workpiece. Thirdly, it can machine hard and brittle materials that are difficult to machine with conventional methods. Fourthly, it does not require any cutting tools, which reduces the cost of tooling and maintenance. 3. What are the limitations of abrasive jet machining? Despite its advantages, AJM has some limitations that need to be considered. Firstly, it has a low material removal rate, which makes it unsuitable for high-volume production. Secondly, it can cause surface roughness and burrs, which may require additional finishing operations. Thirdly, it has a limited depth of cut, which makes it unsuitable for machining thick materials. Fourthly, it can generate dust and noise, which may require additional safety measures.